Hey, can I have a cigarette?
조석이는 과거 현재를 마실 수 있습니다.
Can you not record it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Can you not?
하나님 떠나 죄와 사단에게 장악된 운명이
Are you recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording now.
맞출 수
Why?
있는데
Huh?
벗어나게 할
Why?
수가 없습니다. 그래서 하나님이 인간의
Jesus, are you
몸을
really?
오셔서 대신 죽으심으로 인간의 죄와 재앙과 전쟁을 해결하시고 구원하셨고
read some of my
그
notes.
이름 부를 때 하나님 역사하십니다.
I need to upload
그래서
some
오늘
stuff.
여러분과 제가 현장에서 이
promised
복음이
President Obama that
증거되어지는 중요한 하나님의 응답을 체험한 여러분들을 바라겠습니다. 오늘 읽었던
we're going to discuss about
사마리아라는 이 현장은
the mission, vision
일단 배경을
of Bartizan
준비해야
businesses.
되는데요. 이스라엘이 솔로몬 이후에 여호와과 너그러움을 갈비하고
Hi.
분이 됐는데
Hi,
북이스라엘 지역이 북이스라엘 수도가
What's up?
이제 어떻게 보면 사마리아라는 지역입니다.
My name is
누가
Pooh.
설로왔냐?
What's your name?
설로왔고
We're gonna discuss about the food trucks, the beverage trucks that we're gonna put up on the go, on the move, on the way as a business. We're gonna start with Bartizan pizzas, pastas, pastries, potagerie, like the soup, the potager gets to cook for us, the poultry, the porterhouse, the presidential breakfast, the pies, the pot pies, the pepper steak, the puttanesca, the porco bello, the casserole, the parmigiani clams. And we're gonna make some pepperoni jerky, some peppermint candy coated gelato, perhaps. Some what else are we gonna make? We're gonna make pear and honey tea, peach truffles and toffee crunch, parliamentary desserts, Pakistani sausage. We're gonna what's a proverbial horizon design? We're gonna have some poached semi-cooked egg balls, praline affogatos, PET dripped cappuccinos, frappuccinos, probiotics, yogurt, ice cream, pro milk, calcium milk tea, pot roast samgyeopsal with wine, doenjang squeezies, pancetta mignon, planetarian dinners, Portuguese plates, Peruvian plates with tomatoes, paprika paella, poached pebbles and cereals, Popeye's platters, prestige lobster and crabs, Pumbaa's abalone fish, pub-style hot dogs and sausages, Powerpuff Girls flavored popcorn, Pepsican spiced nuts, Pooh's honey buttered shrimp and ribs, Plato's party pool sports type of Procter and Graham Gamble and product exposition, the Porsche Pro Toss salad bars, Porsche signature dishes, elite producing the product line, the product line branded dishes per brand name. We toss, we don't throw away. Because the pastor was talking about the invisible temple, we somehow wanted to get to visualize the visibility of the temple here. Yeah? Thank you for joining in. That's the most. That's probably what we're gonna do. What you gonna do today?